teachers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about how can we make a course image from Canva. First of all, you need to log into your Canva account. If you do not have any, then refer to our video, How to use Canva, for more details. Go to the search bar and search for course image. Here you will be shown a lot of dynamic templates. Select any template according to your choice and start designing your own idea. You can insert any text according to your need, and also, you can change the color, as well as any element of the template. You can also rename the design. Once you are done, just download it and use accordingly. For regular updates, subscribe our channel. Till then, bye and happy teaching.